Editor-in-Chief of Tehelka, Tarun Tejpal, has stepped aside for 6 months after allegations of sexually assaulting a woman journalist at the magazine. In a letter to Tehelka employees, Managing Editor Shoma Chaudhary has said there has been an untoward incident, and though he has extended an unconditional apology to the colleague involved, Tarun will be recusing himself as editor of Tehelka for the next 6 months. In an email written to Shoma, Tarun Tejpal has said, "The last few days have been most testing and I squarely take the blame for this. A bad lapse of judgment and awful misreading of the situation have led to an unfortunate incident. I have already unconditionally apologized for my misconduct to the concerned journalist, but I feel impelled to atone further. I am therefore offering to recuse myself from the editorship of Tehelka and from the Tehelka office for the next 6 months." In a statement given to NDTV, Shoma Chaudhary has also said, "This was an incident involving a journalist. This is an internal matter. The journalist concerned is satisfied with the action taken. Tarun Tejpal's recusing himself is in keeping with the principles of right response and standards that we want to live by." However, speaking to NDTV, a close confidant of the woman journalist involved claimed that what Tarun Tejpal did constituted grave sexual misconduct and that the woman concerned kept pleading with him to stop. She says the victim is not satisfied with Mr. Tejpal's apology or with him recusing himself, as Tehelka claims.
Ma'am, thank you for speaking with us. First of all, we appreciate your talking to us. What can you tell us about what happened? What details are you comfortable in sharing right now?
What happened was absolutely shocking and appalling, and I think it was an act of grave sexual misconduct which happened involving the managing editor of Tehelka and an employee of Tehelka. And what is shocking and concerning is that the act happened continuously over a period of 2 days, and despite having been told not to do it, and despite the girl pleading, that she's almost the age of his daughter, and he is a father-like figure to her, and she's very close to his daughter also. And the girl pleaded that please don't do this. Despite that it happened, her no was not accepted, her no did not matter, and it happened once, then it happened again the next day, and the girl was absolutely and totally emotionally shattered.
Ma'am, Tehelka has told NDTV that the journalist concerned is satisfied with the action taken. Do you agree with that statement?
See, first and foremost, I wouldn't use the word satisfied at all. It's not the question of being satisfied, really speaking. As I told you, this child has been emotionally scarred, and this is something which is going to stay with her for the rest of her life. It is not something which is going to go away. It's not going to something which is going to vanish, and it's going to be with her. This emotional trauma is going to be with her for the rest of her life. So one is, I don't think the word satisfied is really the right word, and I don't think it's the right thing also to say that she is satisfied with this. She continues to put forward her plea that Tehelka should set up a committee to look into sexual harassment as per the Visakha guidelines and as per the sexual harassment law in the country, that they should do it to look into cases of sexual harassment. It does not have a committee to do it. It is a mandatory thing that the organization should have. It is not there. So this is one of her pleas that it should be done.
Clearly, this is a very troubling issue. You've explained how traumatized she is by this, but is there any clarity right now about whether she wants to pursue this matter further?
See, let's take each step as it comes. As I said, it's not really easy to have done what she has done, and it's a very brave thing to do, and she has done it. It is not very easy for any victim of sexual harassment to go ahead and lodge a complaint and to take the case forward. You must be aware that sexual harassment is actually rampant, but very few women do actually come up and take the case forward. this girl has done it. So kudos to her for having actually done it. So give her time, give her space. She has stood up. She has, taken the case forward. And we don't know where this is going to go.